Hello film fans, welcome to a journey like no other. Today I want to share my adventure visiting a special place, the Dirilis Ertugrul film set. This set is not just any ordinary film set, it is a place where history, art and storytelling come together in a unique and mesmerizing way. This isn't your typical set, it's a place where every detail has been meticulously crafted to transport you back in time. The creators have gone to great lengths to ensure that every element, from the costumes to the props, is as authentic as possible. It's a claymation dream world, nestled in Istanbul, Turkey. The city itself is a blend of the old and the new, and this set captures that essence perfectly. As you walk through the set, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the clashing of swords, and the whispers of ancient tales. Imagine walking through a miniature version of history. Each scene is like a snapshot from a different era, brought to life with incredible detail and artistry. The tiny buildings, the intricate costumes, and the lifelike characters all contribute to an immersive experience that is both educational and entertaining. The artisans behind this masterpiece are truly remarkable. They have spent countless hours perfecting their craft, ensuring that every frame is a work of art. Watching them at work is like witnessing magic in the making. Their dedication and passion are evident in every detail, from the smallest prop to the grandest set piece. The characters themselves are a sight to behold. Each one has been carefully designed to reflect the personalities and traits of their historical counterparts. Their expressions, movements, and interactions are so lifelike that you almost forget they are made of clay. It's a testament to the skill and creativity of the artists who bring them to life. The action sequences are particularly impressive. The battle scenes are choreographed with precision, capturing the intensity and drama of historical conflicts. The attention to detail in these scenes is astounding, from the realistic movements of the characters to the intricate designs of their weapons and armor. Taking a tour of the set is like stepping into a different world. You get to see the behind-the-scenes magic that goes into creating such a detailed and immersive environment. From the initial sketches to the final touches, every step of the process is fascinating and inspiring. The historical artifacts and props are another highlight. Each item has been carefully researched and recreated to ensure historical accuracy. These details add an extra layer of authenticity to the set, making it feel like a real slice of history. The ambience of the set changes with the lighting. At night, the set takes on a magical quality, with shadows and highlights creating a dramatic and enchanting atmosphere. It's a place where history and fantasy blend seamlessly, creating an unforgettable experience. As we wrap up our visit, I hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the world of Dirilis Ertugrul. It's a place where history comes alive through the magic of claymation, and it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering new worlds. The first thing you notice are the incredible details. Each piece tells a story, a narrative captured in clay. The artists behind these creations pour their hearts and souls into every tiny element, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. From the delicate curves of a miniature vase to the intricate patterns on a clay tapestry, the craftsmanship is nothing short of extraordinary. Every tiny detail is sculpted from clay. The process begins with a simple lump of clay, which is then meticulously shaped and molded by skilled hands. These artisans spend countless hours perfecting their techniques, honing their skills to create pieces that are both beautiful and functional. The level of precision and dedication required is immense, and it is evident in the final product. Buildings, tents, even weapons and food, all crafted with care. Each item serves a purpose, whether it is to depict a scene from daily life or to represent a historical event. The clay buildings are often modeled after real-life structures, complete with tiny windows and doors that open and close. The tents are made to look as though they are billowing in the wind, and the weapons and food items are so detailed that they appear almost lifelike. You can see the love and artistry in every piece. The artists take great pride in their work, and it shows. Each sculpture is a testament to their skill and creativity, a tangible representation of their passion for the craft. The attention to detail is astounding, with every line and curve carefully considered and executed. It is this dedication to excellence that sets these pieces apart, making them truly unique and special. Dirilis Ertugrul is a popular show about a brave Turkish warrior. The set recreates his world, showcasing 13th century Turkish life. It's like stepping back in time. As a filmmaker, I was blown away. The set scale is impressive. It's like the whole world of Ertugrul shrunk down. You feel like you're part of the story. Section 5, Claymation meets history, a winning combination. What makes this set unique? It's the combination of history and claymation. The detail transports you to another time. It's educational and entertaining. Section 6, the magic of miniatures. There's something magical about miniatures. We see the world from a new perspective. We appreciate the artistry and the story even more. Section 7. More than a set, it's a storybook. This isn't just a film set, it's a storybook come to life. You can almost imagine the clay figures moving, telling their tales. Section 8, bringing history to life, one frame at a time. Claymation is a powerful tool. It's a unique form of stop-motion animation that uses clay figures, meticulously crafted and animated frame by frame. This painstaking process results in a fluid and lifelike motion that can captivate audiences of all ages. The beauty of claymation lies in its tactile nature. Every figure, every prop, and every scene is handmade, giving it a distinct charm that digital animation often lacks. The artist's hands mold the clay, breathing life into historical figures and events, making them accessible and engaging. This method of storytelling is not just about entertainment, it's an educational journey that bridges the gap between the past and the present. It can bring history to life in a fun, engaging way. Imagine watching the signing of the Declaration of Independence or the construction of the Great Wall of China, all through the lens of claymation. These scenes are not just static images in a textbook, they are dynamic, colorful, and full of life. The characters move, speak, and interact in ways that make historical events feel immediate and relevant. This approach can transform a dry history lesson into an exciting adventure, sparking curiosity and a desire to learn more. It sparks our imagination and makes us want to learn more. When children see these animated historical scenes, they are not just passive viewers, they become active participants in the story. They ask questions, seek out more information, and develop a deeper understanding of the events that shaped our world. Claymation has the power to make history accessible and enjoyable, breaking down complex events into understandable and relatable narratives. It's a tool that educators can use to inspire a lifelong love of learning and a deeper appreciation for the past. Through the magic of claymation, history is not just a subject to be studied, it's a vibrant living tapestry that we can all explore and enjoy. Section 9, a must-see for dreamers and history buffs. If you love film, history, or just beautiful craftsmanship, visit the Dirilis Ertugrul set. It's an unforgettable experience.